These YouTube videos with flashy titles promising you can make 10,000 a month by reposting animal content. This one tells you to copy clips from Chinese app and re-upload them to YouTube Shorts to make 12,000 monthly. It sounds like a dream, but what they're actually selling is a mirage. I know, because I fell for it myself. I spent 3 months chasing that easy money, and I want to save you from making the same mistake. If you are thinking about starting a channel by re-uploading content, give me 5 minutes of your time. I'll show you exactly why these scams don't work, and more importantly, how you can actually get monetized. So why are so many people claiming this works? The people making these videos aren't fools. They know the terms making 5 figures a month and get rich quick are powerful magnets. They are not trying to help you. They are simply selling you a dream so they can get rich themselves. They want you to click, watch, and rewatch their videos to learn their secrets, and that's exactly how they earn their money. This video alone, for example, got over 200,000 views. At a minimum of $5 per 1,000 views, that's over $1,045 in ad revenue for them, not you. They tell you what you want to hear, not what's actually working. Think about it. If their re-upload method actually work, why don't they show you the analytics from their own re-upload channels? The answer is simple. They have never tried it. They put the risk on you while they cash it. Your time, your effort, your failure, all for their profit. 3 years ago, I was just like you, convinced this could be my big break. I put the so-called methods to the ultimate test for 3 straight months. I poured my heart, soul, and countless hours into it. I started 2 channels with funny animal content and a third re-uploading clips from a Chinese app. I was desperate to make it work, so I posted daily, a long-form video and 3 shorts. I even added a watermark to every single video, hoping YouTube would somehow think it was original. But after all that work, none of those channels ever got accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. The channel with the Chinese clips was even deleted. It was a brutal wake-up call. I tactfully recorded everything, and you can see my full 3-month journey and all the analytics in the video that I mentioned. Now that you have heard my story, let's talk about why this doesn't work from a technical standpoint. First, let's be clear about copyright. It's a powerful tool designed to protect original creators. The minute you upload a stolen video, you're flagged. A creator once stole one of my videos, and within minutes, I got a notification from YouTube and their video was taken down. Even if your channel doesn't get immediately nuked, any ad revenue you generate goes straight to the original creator. So what's the point? You get the views, but you get the money. And that's the best case scenario. The worst case, you get a copyright strike, and 3 of those can get your entire channel deleted for good. Those so-called experts already know the truth. That's why they tell you to use a Chinese app hoping the original creator isn't on YouTube, but that's just a lie. Like I've said, YouTube system can detect stolen content the moment you upload it. Now, I don't call myself a YouTube expert. I see myself as someone just like you. The difference is I've been through it before, but they haven't. When I look at the analytics, it was clear these gurus were just making it up. If you appreciate honest tips like this, please subscribe and hit that like button. It helps spread the word so fewer people fall for the scams. Next, let's talk about algorithm. Stolen content is soulless. It's a quick hit but not a lasting brand. You'll struggle to build a genuine community of subscribers who actually care about your channel because you're not offering anything unique beyond copying and pasting. Take a look at this. My channel's got thousands of views, but my subscriber count barely moved. One of my videos even got a copyright issue before it could reach double-digit views, and the algorithm immediately stopped pushing it. And finally, let's talk about the hidden cost. The people selling these schemes call it easy money, but they conveniently leave out the hours you spend searching for clips, editing, and uploading videos. To me, this isn't easy money. It's a grind that leads to absolutely nothing. The term easy money is just a clickbait term. The real cost is your wasted time, energy, and mental stress. So if all of this is a dead end, what's the alternative? The good news is they don't involve stealing. If you want to earn from animal content, from what I know, there are several ways to do it. Number 1 is definitely to create your own content. Capture moments of your own pet. Capture their hilarious antics and priceless moments. Show YouTube that this pet and video belong to you. But you might say, Nat, I don't have a pet, but I'm really into making animal content. So what's the legal way of doing it? So let me give you an example. Take a look at this channel called Dogs Wiz, where they post everything related to dogs. As you can see from this video, they talk about 10 types of huskies. So I'm pretty sure they asked ChatGPT to generate a perfect script regarding this topic, get images from royalty-free websites, combine them all together, and make it into a perfect video. Now, since this video is about re-uploading scams, I won't go too deep into it. I'll cover animal tutorial content in an upcoming video. So remember to subscribe to get a full picture. Number 2 is to repurpose content with creativity. You can use other people's content, but you must add something unique to it, like a reaction. This channel, for example, MrBeast reacts to funny animals videos with his own commentary, and that's what makes the content his own. Just remember to add a reaction, a voiceover, or unique edits that makes the video different. Stop thinking a simple watermark or some background music is enough. Learn a real transferable skill like video editing or speaking to a camera. These are the skills that will build you a foundation for success. I know this isn't the easy get-rich-quick answer you were hoping for. It requires dedication and patience. My own journey was full of setbacks, but the progress was real and honest. The real money on YouTube comes from building a loyal community that trusts you and watches your content constantly. That's a foundation that can't be taken away by a copyright strike. I hope my story saves you from making the same mistakes. For a full look at the data from my 3 months journey, check out this video next.